Hello everyone, welcome back to Global LIS Update, a channel dedicated to library information science professionals and students. In today's video, we will learn how to retrieve bibliographical records using Z39.50 in KOHA software. This feature helps librarians save time by importing ready-made catalog records instead of entering data manually. So let's start. First of all, I will explain you what is Z39.50. Z39.50 is an international standard protocol used to search and retrieve bibliographical records from other libraries. In KOHA, Z39.50 allows us to search records from national and international libraries, import Mark 21 records, reduce cataloging workload, and maintain standard and accurate metadata. Now log into KOHA staff interface and go to cataloging module. Inside cataloging module, click on Z39.50. A search screen will open. Now enter the bibliographical details such as ISBN number, ISSN number, title, author, publication year, etc. Using ISBN number given the most accurate result, and select target server. If you want to get data from Library of Congress or Library of Britain, then select those databases. Then click on search. Display a list of available records. Then check title, check the server, then author name, year, edition, ISBN number, and then select the most suitable record. Then after clicking mark tag, then you can see the three options are highlighted: mark preview, card preview, and import. Now we want to import the data. Then click on import option. The Mark 21 record open in a catalog editor. Review all fields. Check details of. Then first, after retrieving the data from Library of Congress, you have to also fill the some of item details like item type, call number, accession number, and library location. These are local fields not available in Z39.50 records. Then click on save icon. The bibliographical record is now successfully. You can see here tag 003 subfield 0 control field in tab 0 is in some fields are asking me to fill. It is compulsory. Then we go to that field 003 is autofilled, and again save. You go go on a next page, then add items. Again we will follow same process, add item records, then select the classification scheme, then home library, current library, then full call number. एग्जाम्पल की अगर मैं क्लासिफिकेशन लाइब्रेरी क्लासिफिकेशन बाय डॉक्टर एस आर रंगनाथन, तो रंगनाथन का RAN भी यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. ठीक है. then barcode number means accession number, then koha item type books, then add items. If you want to purchase only one item, then add item. Just if you want to duplicate same data, add and duplicate. And if you want to add multiple copies like 5, 10, then you add multiple copies of these items. If you want to save the template, uh, then you can just click on save as template. Error saving item barcode must be unique. Then we have to fill a unique barcode number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think this is unique barcode. The add item. The record of my book is saved. Item for Encyclopedia of Library Information Science. The bibliographic records is now successfully added in KOHA. You can see here the action icon is show. You can just click. If you want to edit, then click on edit. If you want to duplicate record, just click to duplicate. print label. If you want to delete your record, just click on delete. If you want to opaque view, just click on opaque view. So friends, I think this is how we can retrieve the import bibliographic data using Z39.50 in KOHA software. If you found this video helpful, like the video, comment your doubts, subscribe to Global LIS updates for more KOHA tutorials. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.